Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Charmanty, you guys. So they did send over a unit for me to try out for you. So the unit that I will be reviewing for you all today is the Charmanty Jerry Curly M-Cap wig, you guys. This is a 9x6 invisible lace with pre-bleached tiny knots, pre-plucked, in a natural hairline, y'all. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that comes along with this unit. So you do get an edge brush as well as a synthetic bag and wig cap to be able to store your wig after each use. Also, on the inside of Charmanty's hair box, you guys, you also get instructions on how to care for your unit properly. So right off the bat, I love that it is 22 inches. I also love how good this lace is looking, and I'm so glad that it is cut and pre-plucked and bleached as well, so that way it makes my job a little bit more easier with this install, and it makes me not have to take such a long time as well. As you guys can see, the Jerry Curly hair is the curl pattern is super tight. So I decided when I was installing this hair to go in and finger comb this wig out. I didn't put any harsh products on this hair to weigh it down. I just actually styled this in the most natural state as I possibly could. So this wig also does come with combs and an elastic band. Also, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I was finger combing this hair to see if I got any shedding, and I did not. So the lace on this wig is transparent lace, and don't forget that I did say this wig does come pre-bleached, so that's a step that you would not have to do.
I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road.
Okay guys, so I was just adjusting the wig to my head, y'all. This wig cap size is a medium as well. So I do think the grip band in the back actually helped grip this wig to my head comfortably. So that's what I'm doing, just adjusting it, and that's it.
Keep your minds on me, on try, baby. I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love, everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
I also wanted to remind you guys that this is a 9x6, you guys. This is not a 13x6, so it does not go from ear to ear with the lace.
I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me?
Alright, so I'm going in with a little bit of concealer, and I will be putting that in my part as well as around the perimeter of the hair, just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly.
I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love, everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own.
So this wig is 150% density. I also wanted to let you guys know that while I was finger combing this wig, I did not get any shedding and or tangling.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me.
Alright, y'all, so this is what the hair is giving before I actually finger comb it.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all.
Overall, I do think this wig is great for beginners. If you do not know how to bleach, pluck, and or style your wig, this right here is great for you because everything is already done. Alright, you guys, so this right here is the finishing look of today's hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will have all of Charmanty's hair information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out, you guys, and get you some hair. So this is the hair in its natural state. All I did was went in and fluffed it. Y'all, look so good. Big hair, don't care, okay? So don't forget, like I said, to check out my description box below. All the information on the hair company will be there. Don't forget, if you're new, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.